It's a new 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bench seats, aluminum wheels, magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Thank you for viewing this vehicle. Stop in and see us today. Thompson Buick GMC Cadillac is conveniently located on Wake Forest Road next to Costco, just inside the Beltline.